Eh. So yeah, this is what they're gonna be. Look, the dent is still there. Didn't fix it. And this could use a little bit more spray paint. But do I care? Not really. The most important thing is that I have to do the cabling. And of course the cabling from the base panel is too short to go here. I didn't, make something where I have connectors. Normally, if I have the time, I will incorporate them here, for instance. But I didn't this time because, I thought, well, I'll do it fast, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so now I have to do them in an awkward place, maybe here, since there is some room. But it's gonna be just a block of these, I guess. Just temporary. Maybe here or something, I don't know, something ridiculous. Then I have to add a little bit of length on the cable of the base. But I thought measuring and stuff and listening to it at higher volumes is better to do at least before 11 o'clock. So that's what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. Then I'm gonna solder the cabling and call it a day. Oh no, then I'm gonna make a playlist. Yeah. Make the feet. I'm pretty happy with it. A bit bulky. The whole thing is a bit bulky. Now the most important thing, the push-pull base panel. I am not too sure. I replaced the coil, this one, for the correct thickness aluminium coil, but I noticed the panel is a bit sloppy. And it's hard to get it to a 45 dB or 45 Hertz resonance. And if I do, it becomes floppy. It's gonna make terrible sounds. So I have to tune it a little bit higher, like 55 or 60 almost, while the other panel is lower. And still, the damping, I'm not too sure. I think it might be over damped, which sounds really weird to my ears. But at least I have something that I can take with me, either with my crocodile clips, so everyone can see that it's actually me bringing those speakers, because there are nasty crocodile clips. Or I make a terminal. I probably need to make a terminal. And yeah, I noticed imaging is a bit crappier than it was, and I think it has to do with this baffle and the fact that it's not rounded off. I wonder what it does at a bigger room tomorrow, but here it sounds a bit boring to me. But we'll see. Yeah, anyhow, I'll keep you posted. See ya.